creamy, thick blueberry, pineapple, banana, strawberry smoothie. This is a must try. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. To my returning supporters, welcome. For those of you coming for the first time, welcome as well. Thanks for joining me. To make it official, tap the subscribe button, hit the notification bell to become an official member of the family. Welcome back guys. Today we're making some smoothie. Here is a run through of the fruits I'll be using. This is blueberry and banana, all frozen. This is pineapple, and these are some strawberries. And of course we're going to need ice, and to make it extra creamy I'm using evaporated milk. So I'm going to add these to the blender. Is the finished product guys. Just to highlight it a bit, I use some mint leaf. So cheers, enjoy. This is very thick and creamy.